Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back. Let me move this up to the Lovely Lab. So, listen, I have a few items that came in the last day. I'm waiting on another package from Happy Planner. I need my new planner. But in the meantime, I just wanted to share with you some jewelry supplies that came in. I had in my Etsy shop, I have primarily digitals. They have taken over. That's my focus for now. But I still have some a couple of wall prints and a keepsake bracelet. And I'm going to keep the keepsake bracelet up there, although I do need to change the photo because the supplies that I use have changed just a bit. So but in the meantime, I still get orders for them, and my stock has depleted greatly. So I shipped out a set of, I think, 5 bracelets earlier in the week, last weekend, and then in less than a day, I got an order from Felicia over at where Bakers and Crafters meet for 2 keepsake bracelets for her daughters. And so I didn't have all the supplies, and I just had to go on Amazon, which I normally don't go on Amazon. I have always purchased my supplies from 2 different suppliers, one for the bracelets and another for charms, because I like their quality and I'm familiar with it. And their pricing, obviously. But one of them is discontinued the style of bracelet, that Bangle that I have for the listing, and so I had to go with a different supplier. But these are the charms that came in for the charm bracelet, and they are so cute. I am so glad that it's the right size. I was kind of concerned about that because not being able to touch it, not having sourced it in person, it's a little bit difficult. So anyways, those are the beads, and it's by Bead Nova, and they're on Amazon. If you're interested in this, I'll drop a link in the description box of the shop. And then the next item, let's see, I don't even know what this is. It's probably the bangles, hopefully. This is going to be real quick because I didn't order a whole bunch of stuff. I have majority of the things on hand. So this is the new style of bangle that I have to go with because the previous one is no longer being offered. And the reason why I got this is because I have the ability to add spacers on, whereas with regular bracelets that have this on both sides, you can't open it up. So this has a bead, you see. And again, the keepsake bracelets has been up there for about 6 years. This is nothing new. So you have the ability to add that on there like so. I know it's probably not picking it up because there's other stuff going on in the background, but this is what I needed. So I got that. It took me a while to find the right size as well as the right finish and the right tone, but I'm glad I got them. And I didn't order a large quantity because I wanted to make sure that it was something that I could add to my supplies. So, and then the last thing I think is I don't even know what this is. Okay, it's the initial charms. So I will drop a link below to all of these items if you're interested. I don't have an Amazon shop like that or anything, so I won't be getting paid or any type of commission for it. But I just want to, if you're interested in making your own, then there you have it. Yeah. And then let's see. Yeah, so, and also I'll drop a listing to my keepsake Etsy listing I'll drop a link to the Etsy listing for the Keepsake Bracelet, and I will show you at the end of this video what the bracelet looks like. All right, so stay tuned. I will show you a finished one once I get it done, which I'll have to stop back in later on today, because right now I'm getting ready to run out and do some real estate photos. Yes, the girl is busy, but it's spring break and mama's got to get the money, because summer clothes need to be purchased and they ain't gonna purchase themselves, you know what I mean? So in any event, for those of you who are new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, you know. And for those of you who have been riding with me in the Lovely Lab for some time now, thank you so much for staying a part of the community, for sharing my videos, for commenting, and for your feedback. You guys have been really showing up in that Etsy shop with those digitals. You guys really loved the Legends of the Legendary Women digital kit, which I'll put a little link right there for you. And I'm working on a new one. I have been given a list of some favorites by one of you viewers, and I have taken the next step of pulling one of those favorites of hers and adding to her genre to create a digital kit, which I think, because of the fact that many of you are journalers, you probably are going to love this area. So, you know, just stay tuned. There's great things that are on the horizon, as long as I can get around to them, you know what I mean? And I don't always have the time. I have it in my mind, but not in reality. Anyways, stay tuned, guys. Again, I'll pop back on to show you the one finished product, and then you can head over to the Etsy shop and grab a keepsake for yourself. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so this is the memorial keepsake bracelet that was unavailable in my shop. It's now sold out, and so in an effort to fulfill a larger order for 2 of these bracelets as opposed to just one that was available, I ended up swapping out some of the different findings, like that letter there and the spacer beads, and this is what I ended up with. So we have this little beauty here. Those are the new spacer beads. That is the new initial charm, and I think that my customer is gonna like this. And of course, we've got the Livie'S Lovelies logo in the middle, and there's the second one. Both of these will be going out in today's mail in this little pouch that I created exclusively for these keepsake bracelets. All right, so anyways, I hope this has inspired you to, you know, maybe make your own bracelets, and if not, you can always head over to the shop and purchase one of your own. I should have a renewed listing. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. See you soon. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.